Hi, it's Mary with Premier. So every day for 20 years, I answer question after question, and one of the biggest are facials really necessary? Are they good for your skin? And absolutely, whether it is corrective and you're trying to get rid of sun damage or fine lines and wrinkles, whatever corrective facials, absolutely. If you just maintenance, maintaining, or prevention, that's a big one. So starting early is always best. The sooner you start, the more prevention that you can do, and the later you'll age, the smaller the pore size. And I say that because getting regular facials, you get extractions. Typically, in most facials, you need to have a consultation, an in-depth skin analysis, some recommendations. Your esthetician needs to hear out your goals and what bothers you the most. And like mine would be acne scars, fine lines and wrinkles, and as I age, getting more dehydrated, dry skin. But overall, extractions will help to get out the blackheads, which when you don't exfoliate out properly, mixes with a little bit of oil, and the contents will oxidize over time because it's exposed to air. And when it turns black, it's a blackhead. And by removing those on a regular basis, it prevents them from filling up, your pores from getting larger and larger. And as we all know, it's very hard, very difficult to tighten skin. Same with pore size. So getting regular facials, getting regular deep cleansing or regular maintenance is very important. So I would say yes, are facials necessary? Are they good for your skin? Absolutely. I highly recommend getting facials regularly.